In this video, we are gonna talk about eczema and what is necessary to know if you need some useful information for yourself or anyone who is suffering from this disease. So follow us on this video, and you also can subscribe to our channel to be informed about our upcoming videos. Okay, let's start. You might have heard eczema several times over your life, but what exactly is eczema? We are gonna talk about the symptoms, causes and treatment of eczema. Eczema or atopic dermatitis is a common disease which particularly occurs among children and young adults, but it can happen in any age. One of the most important things that you should know is that disease is not contagious, so you will never catch it in face-to-face or direct contacts. So there is no worry in this case. What are the symptoms of eczema? Eczema can have different clinical manifestations, but the symptoms are different for everyone, and also each individual experiences it in different ways. Eczema often presents with itchy, dry, and inflamed skin. Itch is really common in eczema and ranges from mild to severe. Occasionally, itch gets worse and people scratch it until it bleeds. Continuous rubbing can also lead to skin infection. We can also see some other symptoms like red, cracked, and leathery skin. Sometimes eczema can cause blister or weeping wounds. You might have all of these symptoms or only just few. The best way to find out if you have eczema or not is to consult with a medical doctor who can look at your skin and ask about your symptoms. What causes eczema? Eczema is caused by a combination of some factors, include the first one is immune system activation. In eczema, our immune system overreacts to even small allergens or irritants, so this can inflame the skin. The second one is genetics. If there is a history of dermatitis, asthma, or hay fever in your family, you're at a higher risk of developing eczema. Environmental triggers. There are many things in the environment that can irritate your skin and inflame the eczema, like pollen, pet hair, or some special foods like potato, nuts, and egg. And the last one is the stress. Stress can cause or worsen eczema. There are some signs of mental or physical stress, like depression, anxiety, low self-esteem, use of alcohol, tobacco, or illegal drugs to relax, constant worry, feeling overwhelmed, and difficulty with concentration. By avoiding being in these stressful situations, you could experience less or mild symptoms. What is the treatment of eczema? There are many people all over the world who seek eczema treatment. Now we want to introduce you some ways and home remedies to get rid of this disease or experience less severe symptoms. Although in some cases it may not be effective enough, but you need to know that there is no concern about these remedies. The first one is to take lukewarm baths. One of the best ways to alleviate the symptoms in eczema is to keep your skin wet. Having dry skin means your skin doesn't retain moisture very well, which also irritates your eczema and can make it worse. Proper bathing and moisturizing are important for this reason. But remember that frequent bathing without moisturizing can dry your skin more. There are some important tips which you should know about bathing. Take bath or shower at least once a day. You necessarily need to keep your skin moist, so it would help you much. Avoid hot or cold water. Very hot or cold water can dry out your skin and make eczema worse, so try to keep it just warm. Limit your baths up to 50 minutes or less. Bathing for longer than 15 minutes can make your skin more dry and your eczema becomes worse. Avoid using soap. If you have active eczema rashes, it is better not to use soap directly on your rashes, and also avoid scrubbing your skin vigorously. Moisturize your skin. The best thing to do after bathing is to apply moisturizer creams or ointments. Try to use fragrance-free and hypoallergic brands. Avoid scratching. Itch is the symptom which almost all of the people with eczema complain about, and is said by many people to be the worst thing about eczema. Eczema flares frequently triggered by itch or scratch cycle. Means when you scratch your skin in response to itching, your body releases inflammatory mediators and make your skin becomes drier. So it's necessary to avoid scratching your skin. Wear cotton and soft fabrics. Many people with eczema find that synthetic materials such as nylon and polyester cause overheating and sweating that can irritate your skin and make your eczema worse. So your choice of clothing can make a considerable difference to how comfortable you feel. Cotton seems to be the most commonly recommended texture for eczema, and we can consider it as the most eczema-friendly material. There are other soft, breathable and useful materials which you can use like bamboo and silk. Bamboo and silky clothes both are great regulator of body temperature and prevent your body's sweat smudge. Medications. Despite of all home remedies, the symptom of eczema might doesn't improve properly. In this situation, you need to use medication to alleviate the symptoms. It's important to work closely with your doctor to choose the best treatment and make a plan that will help you control your itch and rash. There are some common and useful medications for eczema. The first category is corticosteroids. This category of medication are available in the form of creams, gels, tablets, foams, and ointments. These treatments made with hydrocortisone and can quickly reduce inflammation and relieve itching. The second category is antihistamines. These drugs help relieve the itching. And the last category is antibiotics. Your physician may prescribe antibiotics if your skin has a microbial infection, open sore, or cracks. Okay, we just briefly introduced some category of medication which is available to control eczema. We will explain most effective medications and brands for treatment of eczema in a distinctive video. So you can subscribe to our channel and related videos will be notified to you as they become available.